Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Outlook send receive error. We will access the local services from the search box. There, we will select and double-click on the service called Google Update or Internal Service, which you will see with an internal IP address. After that, in the field Start Type, set it to Automatic. Click on Apply so that you can see the Start button available. Click on Start to start this service. You can close the windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.